Welcome to another episode of the Codibly educational series. In this episode, we're diving into the concept of dockerized accelerators, pre-built software solutions that can significantly help companies in the e-mobility and renewable energy sectors. We'll explore what accelerators are, why they are valuable tools for reducing development time and costs, and how they're implemented. At their core, accelerators are pre-built, reusable software components designed to tackle common challenges in areas like smart charging, demand response, and system integration. They are tailored to specific industry protocols such as Open Charge Point Protocol, OCPP, OpenADR, and IEEE 2030.5 Smart Grid Protocol, ensuring compliance with these standards right out of the box. Instead of building complex systems from scratch, accelerators provide pre-certified microservices that can be easily integrated into your existing infrastructure. This not only saves time, but also reduces the complexity of implementation. Developing software solutions from scratch can be both time-consuming and costly. Each new system requires extensive planning, design, development, and testing. When building from the ground up, businesses often face long timelines, unforeseen challenges, and increased development costs, especially when compliance with industry standards is involved. Accelerators, on the other hand, provide a shortcut to development. They come pre-built, pre-tested, and pre-certified, which reduces the need for custom coding. Instead of spending time creating basic functionality, teams can focus on customizing the solution to meet their specific business needs. As a result, accelerators can reduce development time by up to 80% and cut costs by up to 70%, making them a highly cost-effective solution. So, how do these accelerators actually work? Pre-built functionality. Accelerators come with ready-made solutions that adhere to industry standards like OCPP, OpenADR, or IEEE 2030.5. These solutions handle the complex tasks of communication, data exchange, and integration, which otherwise would need to be built from scratch. Dockerized microservices. Accelerators are typically packaged as dockerized microservices. This means they are containerized and can be deployed easily across various environments, such as cloud or on-premise, without worrying about compatibility issues. The modular nature of these accelerators makes them adaptable to different systems. Customization. While accelerators come with pre-built functionalities, they are also highly customizable. This means that businesses can adjust the code to their specific needs. Whether you need to change some features or add new ones, accelerators allow for easy customization without starting from scratch. Seamless integration. Accelerators are designed to integrate seamlessly into your existing systems. Whether you're working with EV charging stations, energy storage systems, or smart meters, accelerators ensure that different devices and platforms can communicate effectively using standardized protocols. Implementing an accelerator is designed to be a quick and efficient process. Here's how it typically works. Step 1. Planning and strategy. First, the business evaluates the maturity and advancement of its existing solutions. This step involves determining the best strategy for integrating the accelerator into the current ecosystem, considering technical alignment and cost estimation. Whether the focus is on smart charging, OCPP, demand response, OpenADR, or grid communication, IEEE 2030.5, this stage ensures a clear plan is established before proceeding. Step 2, integration and customization. Once the accelerator is chosen, it is integrated into your existing infrastructure. The process involves configuring the accelerator to match your specific workflows and customizing it to meet your unique business requirements. Step 3, deployment. Accelerators are deployed as dockerized microservices, which makes the deployment process faster and easier. Whether it's in the cloud or an on-premise environment, the containerized nature ensures the system is portable and scalable. Step 4, testing and validation. Once deployed, The system is thoroughly tested to ensure it functions correctly. Since accelerators are pre-built and tested for compliance with standards, this step is usually faster than developing a custom solution. Step 5. Post-implementation. After deployment, the system is continuously monitored. Ongoing support and maintenance can be provided if needed, or your internal teams can be trained to manage and maintain the system moving forward. Additionally, the system can be upgraded with new features as business requirements evolve, ensuring long-term scalability and adaptability. Accelerators are typically built using modern, scalable technologies that are suited for cloud environments and enterprise applications. Here's a breakdown. Dockerized microservices. Accelerators are packaged as Docker containers to ensure they are portable, scalable, and easy to deploy. Docker containers allow the accelerators to be deployed consistently across different environments, e.g., development, staging, production. Cloud-based deployment. Most accelerators are designed to be deployed in the cloud, taking advantage of cloud infrastructure's flexibility, scalability, and low operational costs. Platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud are commonly used for deploying these accelerators. Industry protocols. Accelerators are designed to adhere to industry protocols such as OCPP, OpenADR, and IEEE 2030.5, ensuring they are compatible with other devices and systems that follow the same standards. These protocols ensure that accelerators can communicate effectively with a wide range of devices, whether it's an EV charger, smart meter, or energy storage system. Microservices architecture. Built on a microservices architecture, accelerators are divided into small, independent services that can be deployed, scaled, and maintained individually. This architecture offers greater flexibility and fault tolerance compared to traditional monolithic systems. The key benefits of using accelerators are pretty impressive. First, they save a ton of time. Accelerators can cut development time by up to 80%, so you can move from idea to implementation much faster. They're also cost-effective. By using pre-built solutions, you can reduce development costs by as much as 70% compared to building everything from scratch. Another big advantage is scalability. Accelerators are built on a microservices architecture, which means they can grow and adapt as your business evolves. And let's talk about speed. Accelerators let you deploy your solution in a fraction of the time it would take to create something custom, so you can hit the market faster. They're future-proof too. Designed to be modular and upgradable, accelerators ensure your solution stays relevant as technologies and market demands change. Finally, they're compliant with industry standards like OCPP, OpenADR, and IEEE 2030.5, making it easy to integrate with other devices and systems while staying within regulations. Accelerators truly make development faster, easier, and more efficient. To summarize, accelerators are pre-built, customizable software solutions that help companies in the e-mobility and renewable energy sectors significantly cut down on development time and costs. By implementing accelerators, you can reduce complexity, ensure compliance with industry standards, and deploy solutions much faster than traditional development methods. Real-life examples? A leading EV charging company leveraged the OCPP accelerator to integrate a network of 10,000 chargers in under 2 months. Another client in the US used our OpenADR accelerator to meet regulatory requirements and launch a demand response program, saving significant time and money. Thank you for watching this episode of the Codibly educational series. Stay tuned for more insights into how accelerators and other technologies are transforming the way businesses approach software development and integration.